Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is actually a quick video. We're working on the Kia 2009 Kia Rio, and the customer was complaining about loud squeaking noise when he turns the steering wheel all the way to the left or all the way to the right. Hear that loud squeaking noise? This is a quick fix actually. Let me turn the light on so you can see. Okay, this is your front of the vehicle. You come over here and you can see that right there alternator. There's a bolt right there on top of it. Let me get something so I can point to that bolt. All right, there we go. Alright guys. Alright, I'm talking about this one right here. Right there. But if you go up a little bit, you see that bolt right there? The reason why he hears that squeaking noise, because the belt, you got two belts. They were loose. So to tighten them, first you're gonna loosen that top bolt right there, a 12 millimeter. Don't loosen it too much, just a little bit, a few turns, and then tighten this like a few times, like 6-7 times, not even. Tighten that bolt right there, and then when you're done, like I said, 5, 6, 7 times, tighten your top bolt again. Sorry for the camera. And test your car. You should be good to go. That's the fix for that problem. There you go. Alright guys, if you hopefully this video can help a lot of people. If you find it helpful, give me that thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Bye.